Basically, yeah, but I don't know how high that tree is, so it might be worth coming over this way. So where the path leads, coming over above and going like between this tree and this tree.
Yeah.
But be obviously enough that way.
Yep.
And then if we can, in an ideal world, this is going to be quite difficult for me to explain, but I'll try. If we go like from here, this way, wind allowing of course, and round to show, does that make sense?
Yeah.
And then ideally show like Wilton House behind.
Yeah.
So just sort of follow as if we were walking on foot, but obviously we're in the sky.
17, very good.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okie. This level of wind gives me anxiety.